Now, small intestine is a long tube which helps in digestion as well as absorption. Whatever food is digested, it is absorbed by the small intestine. So, how long it is? 7 meters long. And how wide it is? 2.5 centimeter wide. Now it is coiled and folded in abdomen. You cannot feel intestine. It's such a long structure, 7 meters long, but you cannot feel the intestine in your abdomen. Why? Because it is beautifully coiled inside, compact and placed into the abdomen. Now, the structure inside the intestine, it varies, and therefore it is divided into three parts. Now, duodenum, jejunum, ileum. Now, here you can see the structure. You can see the structure, duodenum, red color structure, which is approximately 1 meter in length. Jejunum, it is 2 meters in length. Green color structure you can see, it is 2 meters in length approximately. Now the longest part, ileum, it is 4 meters. You can see it is coiled here. That is the last part, that is ileum. It is approximately 4 meters. Now here the intestine gets the juices. Which juices it gets? Bile from common bile duct, which is placed in the duodenum. It gets pancreatic juice from the pancreas, and it has got its own intestinal juices, the glands which are placed in the intestinal lining. So let's see how it looks in the internal structure. So here if you take the ileum, now ileum is approximately 4 meters and it is named ileum because it is twisted and turned. Therefore it is known as ileum. Now here jejunum. Why it is known as jejunum? Because it is empty. Meaning of jejunum is empty. Now when postmortem is done in any human, it is always empty. Therefore it is named as jejunum. Now duodenum means 12. In Latin it means 12 because its length is approximately the length of 12 fingers. Therefore it is known as duodenum. So this is the name given according to its structure, and here it's empty and here it is twisted and rolled. Now if you take the see inside the ileum, you will see the skin is not smooth. It shows projections, villi. The projections are known as villi. Singular is villus. And the outer lining which is smooth. The outer lining is epithelium which is smooth. Here and inside that you find this structure. Inside the, if you see the microscopic structure of the villus, you see there's a smooth epithelium lining. Then inside you see the artery. You see the vein. Red color structure is artery. Blue color structure is vein. And they are interconnected by capillaries. And there is lacteal lymph vessel which is known as lacteal in between. Now lacteal is lymph vessels. Lymph is blood minus RBCs. RBCs are used to carry the oxygen. Every cell requires oxygen. Here they have given free. The RBCs have freed the oxygen, so here it is carried by the lymph vessels. So this is the structure of the villus. Now here it takes into the hepatic portal vein. This vein goes into the hepatic portal vein, and this structure lacteal it goes into the lymphatic duct. So this is the structure of villus. So there are many projection villi inside the intestine. And why this is present? To increase the surface area for absorption of nutrient, because it is curved. So that curving increases the area by 8 times the villi. So this is how the absorption of nutrient takes place by the villi. This is singular villus. This is the microscopic structure. Now at the base, now you will find many villi. Here at the base you find small glands which are intestinal glands, which releases intestinal juices, which helps in digestion. So you have bile, you have pancreatic juice, you have intestinal juices which helps in digestion of food. Remember, in stomach the digestion takes place, but mostly it is mechanical. Actual digestion takes place in the intestine. So duodenum is the first part, just after the stomach. The first part of intestine is duodenum, jejunum, ileum. So this is the structure of the intestine, and this is the internal structure of the villi. And many singular is villus, many villus will form villi. So villi will increase the area of absorption. So digestion and absorption takes place in the small intestine.